Hey guys, it's Jared Cook here at the Perry Company in Waco, Texas, and we're going to take some time today to take a look at the Trac-Lock on this Vermeer mini skid. And I first and foremost want to thank Bobcat of Waco for allowing us to borrow this unit so that we could show you how to install and uninstall this anti-theft device. Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, guys, it is that simple. I don't know if that was 7 seconds. It's usually about 7 seconds. So what you have is you have about 4 components, and I want to walk through those real quick. This is a 1/2 inch, what we call stinger, okay? And this is what's going to feed through your top plate. This is a 1/4 inch powder coated steel top plate, and it feeds through just like that. Then you're going to go through your track. Your track is going to hang right in here, and you're going to be feeding through the hole in your track and go straight down through your base plate, and then finally right into your puck lock where you'll lock that up, okay? So hopefully that makes sense. I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall this real quick so that you guys can see exactly how that works. Now I will say on this Vermeer is just a little different install with this arm right here, so you kind of have to bring this stinger up just a little bit. So we get our plate down in there. Let's see. There we go. And we're installed again. So if you guys have any questions about this product, if you'd like to talk about the form, fit, and function, please give us a call here at the Perry Company or check us out at perry-co.com. Thanks.